Hi, welcome to SAP Controlling course. So now we will start with product costing in SAP. So what is product costing? Product costing is the process by which production activities are recorded at standard values and then variances from actual costs are isolated. For planning purpose, a company may want an estimate of a cost of a product. This estimated product cost per unit is called standard cost. This standard cost is then compared against the actual cost. Variances are recorded and analyzed. Product costing will be covered under below topics. Product cost planning / standard cost. Cost object controlling, which will be actual cost and production order planned cost. And period end process. This will be month-end activities involving revaluation of activities, actual overheads calculations, production order settlement, work in progress calculations, variance calculations. Product costing, standard product cost. So how a standard product cost of a product is made up of? The components of a standard product cost of a product are direct material, which could be a raw material, packing material, consumer materials like cotton, oil, etc. Second is the conversion cost. Conversion cost is the cost of activities which are incurred in the work centers, which are like machines or areas where activities or efforts are performed to convert raw material into finished goods. This is also called direct overhead, and the activity direct overhead rate is calculated and it will be absorbed in the product cost. And the third component is the indirect overhead. Indirect overhead is the cost of services provided by various departments like administration, purchase department, maintenance department, etc. So product costing or cost of a product, standard cost of a product is made up of its direct cost, direct material cost, which could be raw material, packing material, consumer, etc. Direct overhead cost, which is the conversion cost of direct activities, and indirect overhead costs. Product costing configuration. Product costing configuration will involve below steps in SAP. First is setting up a costing sheet, then costing variant, valuation variant, BOM or bill of material, routing, cost component structure, WIP or work in progress settings, variance calculations, and production order settlement profile. In the subsequent lecture, we will look at the costing sheet, understand the components of costing sheets, and then configure the costing sheet in SAP for the case study which we are going to do as part of product costing.